Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Cook short-grain sushi rice and cool it to room temperature while you prep fillings and tools. Use 2 cups cooked sushi rice seasoned with 2 tablespoon rice vinegar and 1/2 tsp salt. Have 8 to 12 cooked chicken nuggets ready, preferably uniform size. If frozen, thaw and pat dry, then reheat until crisp. Prepare 1 sheet of nori and a 3/5-inch bamboo mat for rolling, plus a bowl of water to wet your hands. Keep a sharp knife and plastic wrap nearby for clean slicing. Place a sheet of nori shiny side down on the bamboo mat and wet your fingers to prevent sticking. Lay nori shiny side down on the mat and spread 1/2-inch rice, leaving a 1-inch top border, pressing gently for even coverage. Place 8 chicken nuggets lengthwise across the rice and add 1/4 cup shredded lettuce and 2 tablespoon mayo, or swap mayo for sriracha mayo for heat. Roll firmly using the mat, compressing to a 3/5-inch diameter, then chill 10 minutes to set the shape and make slicing cleaner. If you want added crunch, heat oil to 350 degrees F and deep fry the roll segments 45 to 60 seconds to crisp the nugget exterior, then drain on paper towel. Alternatively, skip frying and serve the chilled roll as is for a softer texture. Slice roll into 8 pieces with a sharp, wet knife, wiping between cuts to prevent tearing and to keep clean edges. Serve with 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha mayo, and pickled ginger on the side, and advise diners to eat with it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.